Hello students, welcome to Sourav's classes. Today we'll be solving the NBHM PhD scholarship exam questions from the January 18 paper. We'll be solving questions which came in the section 5, that is the miscellaneous section of the paper. We'll be solving question number 1 from that very particular section. And the question number 1 is that if X is a non-empty set and if E and F are the subsets of X and if E delta F is defined as set of elements in E but not in F, union set of elements in F but not in E, and if we need to simplify the following expressions. The expression A is A delta F delta A intersection F, and option B is E delta of E delta F. So these are the options that we need to check. So it is fairly easy. So what we know that here the universal set or the set of which E and F are subsets is basically the set F, that is an set X, which is a non-empty set. Now if this is the set E and if this is the set F, this is the set E and this is the set F. Now E delta F is equal to the set of elements which are in set E but not in F. So this will be the set which are in E but not in F, union the set of elements which are in F but not in E, and these are the elements which are in set F but not in E. So basically you can see that this shaded portion is the set which is defined by, is the area which is defined by E delta of F. This is the very area which is denoted by shaded area. Okay, the shaded area. Now it has been said that we need to simplify the expression. The option in expression A is that E delta of F delta E intersection of F. So this basically is of the format E delta F, let me rewrite this, E delta of F upon E intersection of F union E intersection F upon E delta F. This is the set which we are looking for. So now the set of elements which lie in E delta F but not in E intersection F. So as you can see, the E intersection F is denoted by this very portion. This is the E intersection F. So the set of elements which lie in E delta F but not in E intersection F is basically the set E delta F. Okay, E delta F. And in the second part it has been said that we need to find a set of elements which lie in E intersection F but not in E delta F. So set of elements which lie in E intersection F but not in E delta F is basically E intersection F. So if we take the union of these two sets, so basically if we take the union of these two sets, the entire E union F comes into the picture. So basically E delta F delta E intersection F simplifies to E union F. Now we need to find out the second portion. Now for the second portion again we will use the same procedure. The expression that we have been given is that E delta of E delta F, and this comes down to set of elements which are in E but not in E delta F union the set of elements which are in E delta F but not in the set E. Let us draw the diagram once again. So this is the set X, non-empty set X, this is E and this is F. Okay, so E delta F is this portion, E delta F is this portion, this is the set E and this is the set F. So E delta F is this portion. Now we have to find the set of elements which are in E but not in E delta F. So this will be basically this very portion, E intersection F, okay, and union set of elements which are in E delta F but not in E. So set of elements which are in E delta F but not in E will basically be this portion. We can say this will be F minus E intersection F. This is the set which you are looking for. So as you can see, if these two sets are, so this is the set that we are looking for, these two sets union. So basically E intersection F union F minus E intersection F is nothing but the set F. This is the entire area that we are looking for. So today we have solved question number 1, which came in the miscellaneous section of NBHM 2018 paper. We'll be solving the next questions in their subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sourav classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.